Alright guys, to your right, these are the Calverts that I had on the car. These are for 62 to 67 Chevy Nova. The street shock in the middle, KYB, 62 to 67 Nova. And the ones that are going to be on the car, which are shorter, are for 81 Camaro to a 2001 Camaro. So they're a little bit shorter than these shocks here. The KYBs are actually a little bit shorter too. As you can see, the stud. So that's the length on these shocks. Okay. So basically, if you have stock suspension and your car is not lowered, you guys are going to go with either the Calvert CR42133s. That's if your car is not lowered. Or you can run KYD 343135. Okay? You can run any of those for your car if you have the Performance Online shock relocation kit. Now if your car is lowered like mine, my car is lowered like 1.5 inches. So you're gonna have to run these. CR42123, 1980 Camaro to 2001 Camaro, or 1981 Camaro to 2001 Camaro. So I'm gonna put on the street shocks. Let me show you the difference between a street shock and a drag shock. Okay, when you compress it, okay, compress all the way down, watch what happens. Okay, that's a street shock. Drag shock, compressed, it's not going nowhere. It's gonna stay compressed. That's the difference. Okay, straight is always gonna go back up. Always goes back up. That's how you know if you have a street shock. That goes for the front too. I got Calvert front shocks in the front. Same thing. Once you compress it, it stays down like that. You compress it, it does not go back up. Stays down. That's how you know you have a drag shock. Okay. So I'm gonna get these KYBs on here real quick, because it's so easy to put shocks on this car now with the Performance Online kit. Love the kit. So I'm gonna throw these on here, take it for a spin, and video it. Alright guys, so these are your street shocks on the car. And these would actually work. These are 62 to 67. And look how much space you got left. That's why I removed the dust cap, so you can see. So you got about a good 2.5 inches there to work with. I don't know, they might work. We're gonna check them out. But yeah, KYBs, and that's your street shock. Alright fellas, these are the correct shocks, the 1981 to 2001 Camaro Calvert 9-ways. This is the shorter shock. If your car is lowered, these will work. So these are fully extended right now because the car is on jack stands. So it's about 5 inches fully extended, about 5 inches. So when I lower it, I already measured it, it's about half of that. So we're about to take this thing for a spin, and it looks like these are gonna be the right shock. So let me lower this thing down. Alright guys, so now it's on its weight on both tires, and we've got a lot of meat now. As you remember, the other shocks, it was maybe an inch. These have about 2.5 to 2 inches, or about 2.5 inches, I believe. Yeah. So looks like these bad boys are gonna work. Remember, if you get the Performance Online kit and your car is lowered, you're gonna need these shocks. There's a part number. CR 42123. That's the shock you're gonna need if your car's lowered. Alright guys, so